not say?
4 months more and then the harvest?
I tell you.
Open your eyes.
And look at the fields. They are ready for harvest. This is Canberra.
Let
Third.
Harvest.
Begin.
Party is the celebration because sower and reaper shares the same honor in God's harvest.
You will reap a similar harvest that we reaped. And I want to help you to understand this afternoon as you pray. I want you to help you to understand the prophetic nature of what's happening here today. Because it is very prophetic. Because in one sense, there has been a shift in the heavenlies over our nation. Amen. And we are seeing here today the birthing of the next stage of what God is going to do in our nation. Amen.
One question, is it worth it? Is it worth it? Ask a question. Do you think it's worth it?